Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some natural and effective home remedies for dry cough that you can try at home. Dry cough can be caused by a variety of factors, such as allergies, pollution, or a viral infection. If you're experiencing a dry cough, try these remedies to help alleviate your symptoms. The first remedy is to drink plenty of fluids, such as water, tea, or warm broth. Drinking fluids helps to keep your throat hydrated and reduces irritation that causes coughing. Eating warm soups and broths can also help to soothe your throat and relieve your dry cough. Warm liquids can help to thin out mucus, making it easier to expel and relieving your cough. Honey is another effective home remedy for dry cough. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which help to soothe your throat and relieve coughing. You can take honey on its own, add it to tea or warm water, or mix it with lemon juice for an extra boost. Inhaling steam is another great remedy for dry cough. Boil water and pour it into a bowl. Place a towel over your head and inhale the steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. This can help to loosen mucus and relieve your cough. Finally, ginger and turmeric are natural remedies for dry cough. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and turmeric has antibacterial properties. You can make a tea by adding ginger and turmeric to boiling water, then strain it and add honey or lemon to taste. So, those are some natural and effective home remedies for dry cough that you can try at home. Remember, if your cough persists or worsens, be sure to seek medical attention. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness videos.